We're in Dundrum Castle, which is just above there. Today is a glorious day. It is beautiful. So we decided to go out and have a wee stroll. Is my hair better this way or like this? It's a massive thing.
I think it's this one. It's a massive thing?
Yeah.
It's like my laptop thing, massive?
No.
How massive is it? Because you can change it, like you don't have to get refunds this way.
Definitely.
Definitely. Carmel, what do you think? Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's go.
Leave my hair down.
Let's go. Are we ready? Yes? Idziemy na spacerek? Szybciutko. Szybciutko.
Carmel, you took a shit in a public area. Now you have to fucking clean it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Success. Success!
This is what real dog owners do. Clean up after their dogs. Isn't that right?
So, good morning. We are in Dundrum Castle, a beautiful area, glorious day. We'll climb up there. That's the castle. We're going to go up there. We will show you what it is. It's a really nice and quiet place. Not very well advertised, but I think it's definitely worth visiting if you're going towards Newcastle. It's just off the main road. There's plenty of car parking spaces, and you have a glorious view on Mournes, Newcastle, and
You stood on it.
and Dundrum Bay. I nearly stepped into my own dog's shit.
I can smell it.
So here we go. As the procedure, you put your hands inside there. That's the instruction. You grab a poo bag, you put your hands inside, then you sort of go down, scoop all the shit, turn around, right? Obviously no touch, and then you're like this, and then hold it there. Job done.
Well done, Carmel. Well done. I'm scared of heights, so this is so scary. Okay, I'm so scared. Look how high I am. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my goodness. I'm scared. I'm nearly at the top. Nearly at the top. Nearly at the top. I don't know why I put myself through these things. Oh fuck. Excuse me for swearing. But I'm so scared. Right now. Marcin! Bring it up! Sorry guys. I'm so scared right now. Oh dear God. Oh help me. Oh God, I can't do this now. Oh dear, I'm so scared. Oh dear. Really, really, really nice view though. It's like lovely. I'm like, I can't cope. Marty! I'm so scared of height. Oh Carmel, please. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh no, Carmel. Get down.
Did you record the staircase?
I'm so scared of heights. I can't move from this spot.
That's okay.
Tough luck. Keep going, Carmel.
Let's go.
So this is my balcony. What a beautiful view. I have these stripes specially painted for all those tall folk. Here's another one. My other balcony. But this balcony is better because I get a view from outside as well. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. When I brush my teeth in the morning, this is what I like to look at. And then I have the master bedroom over here. It has the best view of all. Over nothing. And another view. This is my favourite actually. I really, really like this one. Sausage, yeah?
That's your castle then?
This is my castle. So let me give you some facts about this keep. It's called the Lizzie Keep. A keep is where people from the castle would go and live in when the rest of the castle would fall down. So they would come here and stay. Another thing about a keep, they're normally built in a square rectangular tower. But the unique thing about this is that it's circle. But the only reason why it's a circle design is because it is taken from the Welsh. Here we have the entrance to the first floor. So this is where people would have came. People would have came in.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
is this your castle?
Yeah. Well, I can tell you a wee bit about it.
Is there a well in here?
Yeah, down
So
there.
they had a water supply all the time?
All the way down there.
When the Vikings approached them?
Yeah. So, anyway, this was the entrance where I'm coming out of. This would have been a massive ground. If you can see it there, there's actually a... Here, this is where the fireplace was. Over here and here were like bays where you could sit, and straight across there was a walkway up to the curtains so that you could close the window in a way. Then if you go upstairs, again, you had little chambers of rooms basically for people to stay in. They were all open plan, so they would walk out onto the main floor in the middle.
So another Polish lesson. This is zamek. In Polish language, castle is called zamek.
Zamek.
Zamek. Simple, isn't it?
Yeah, that's an easy
That's
one.
zamek.
Find a zamek.
Zamek. That's it. Enough Polish.
Polish lesson finished. So yeah, that's all for Dundrum Castle, or
Zamek.
Hugh de Lacy Castle in the 12th
Guys,
century.
look who looks good today, especially with this hair.
I hate the baubles.
That was
though.
like that's a touchy subject, but I think it works out today.
I wanted clear baubles because
Looks
as you can
nice.
see, my hair is blonde at the minute.
I think it looks nice.
Thanks.
Maybe we should vote. What do you think about this hair? Leave the comments below.
That was Dundrum Castle. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you all next week. Bye.